Welcome to a world of streaming where convenience meets entertainment. Today, we are diving into Smart IPTV, a service redefining how we view media. Imagine accessing countless channels and movies right from your smart TV. One click and you're connected to limitless entertainment with 2TV.store. Link in the description. With Smart IPTV, say goodbye to traditional cable hassles. It offers an easy setup and a variety of content beautifully streamlined for your viewing pleasure. Visit 2TV.store for the best IPTV service. They offer top-notch customer support, led by Nancy, ensuring your transition to IPTV is smooth and effortless. Installing Smart IPTV is hassle-free. Enjoy seamless entertainment with just a few clicks. Our guide simplifies your setup journey, bringing life to your screen. Embrace this opportunity to enhance your home media experience. Smart IPTV delivers expansive content with unmatched quality. Subscribe for more tech insights.